Hello everyone, welcome to the TenorShare channel. Today, I will show you how to use the AI function of TenorShare PDNOB to easily edit and quickly summarize PDF files. TenorShare PDNOB integrates the latest AI intelligence, ChatGPT and Deepseek, which can intelligently identify the document structure, not only to help you automatically edit pages, but also to extract the key points of the document and summarize the core content. Whether you need to expand, polish, abbreviate, explain, translate, or rewrite PDF content, our advanced AI technology can handle it. Let's see how to do it together. First, open TenorShare PDNOB through the following link. Click Open PDF to upload the PDF file. Now you can select the text you need to edit, and then click the three dots. You will see various AI functions, such as polish, explanation, summary, etc. Click Abbreviation. AI will help you abbreviate the selected paragraph. You can view the document comparison before and after abbreviation. In addition, if you don't understand this document, you can click Explain. AI will collect relevant information to help you understand this document. At the same time, you can click the Copy button in the lower right corner. Click the Edit Text option in the ribbon. Select the part you want to edit, and directly replace the copied text, which is very convenient. That's it. Its other AI features are also very powerful. Download TenorShare PDNOB and experience the most powerful AI intelligence. It can make your document management easier than ever before. If you like this video, please like and follow our channel. We will update more technology tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.